Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok birthday problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your TikTok app and then tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, tap on the 3 horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen and then tap on settings and privacy. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on account and then tap on user information. And now here, as you can see, there is no available option given to change your birthday, as the birthday is a one-time thing only, as you are opening or creating a new account in TikTok. So in order to fix your TikTok birthday problem, what you need to do is just simply going back to the settings and privacy, then tap on support, then tap on help center. Now here simply scroll down and then tap on report a problem, and here simply choose an option like report another issue. Now what you can do is just simply tap on no. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.